Today, we are tackling one of the single biggest bookkeeping nightmares in QuickBooks Online. A massive multi-thousand-dollar balance sitting inside your undeposited funds account, which you might see labeled as payments to deposit in the latest interface. This happens when you record a customer payment on an invoice, but when the real cash hits your bank feed, you accidentally click Categorize as new sales instead of matching it. The result: your revenue is completely double-counted, and your undeposited funds box turns into a massive ghost account. Today, I'm going to show you the ultimate $0 cleanup trick to completely flush out that ghost balance without messing up your reconciled bank statements. Let's fix it. To see exactly what's stuck in limbo, head up to the top left corner of your dashboard and click on the Master Plus Create button. Under the final column labeled Other, click on Bank Deposit. This opens up your master deposit layout, and if you have this issue, you're going to see a massive wall of checkboxes representing historical payments that never got matched. Scroll down through this list and check the boxes next to the historical payments that you know were already counted in your bank feed. You can select them in batches or all at once. As you check them off, notice the giant total accumulating at the top right. Now for the magic cleanup trick. Scroll completely past your checkboxes down to the grid labeled Add Funds to this deposit. We need to offset this money so it doesn't inflate your bank register. In the Account column, select the exact same sales or income category where you accidentally double-recorded the money from the bank feed. Then, skip over to the Amount column and type in the exact total of your selected payments above, but enter it as a negative number. Instantly, you'll see the final net deposit total drop down to exactly $0. Because the net total is exactly $0, when you glide down to the bottom right and click Save and Close, no actual money moves into your checking account, meaning your clean, reconciled bank statements won't be altered by a single penny. Instead, QuickBooks simply uses the negative line to cancel out the duplicate income, while permanently flushing all those old payments out of your undeposited funds loop. Running this quick $0 balancing entry is the cleanest way to wipe the slate clean and fix your overreported income in one move. If this cleanup tutorial rescued your balance sheet today, drop a like, subscribe, and consider hitting that join button to support the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.